Good morning, everyone. Today is, what is today? Wednesday, July 1st. Wow, amazing. It's July already. Everybody, hopefully you stay cool. It's supposed to be a hot one. Gonna be a hot one. I usually save this to the end, but I want to make sure I get it in. Postcard shows coming up for this month, July 10th in, oh, this is the Land O'Lakes. That's a pretty big one. I've never been up in Eagan, Minnesota. And July 12th, San Francisco, Harrisonburg, Virginia. I'm still on the fence on this one, probably 70%. I'm not going. Kent, Washington, Evergreen. I don't remember hearing about that one. And then I probably will be going to that one. That's a month from now. Wow. Also, over on the Whatnot, since flat rate is going away on Whatnot, I believe at the end of the month or beginning of August, I'm going to do as many fill a flat rate box shows I can on Tuesdays at 8. I was going to do one yesterday, but I just wasn't prepared. So we'll do that. Also got a couple raid trains coming up. And lastly, members, I think today sometime I will be doing my monthly what sold for the month of June live, 12 to 1 o'clock ish start time. I haven't even set it up yet. So I'm going to go out and get a burrito sometime today and run some errands. And as soon as I get back is when we'll start that. So anyway, I don't know when the last video. I actually took that video, the last one I did, down with the effed up, just the stupid eBay buyers, and the stupidity continues. Maybe not as bad as it was over the past 2 weeks, but just the stupidity of people on eBay and in life in general, it just continues. So, but I never wanted the channel to be negative, and man, that's exactly what it has turned out to be recently. And just think that times, it just seems like everything is just effed up. You know, the postal service doesn't work. I've had so many INRs opened up, 3 weeks, no movement at all. And it's just, everything's just fucking broken. And it seems like it's going to break worse. But anyway, here I'm saying I don't want to be doing negative videos. And that's exactly what I'm starting off with. So anyway, sales weren't horrible since last week. Had a couple $83 days, but actually had several over 100, which was fine. Which is not fine. It's awesome. Anymore, it's awesome. 118 yesterday. Big old goose egg today. I have several eBay stores, and it's goose eggs across the board. And it's just, I can't comprehend or understand it. So anyway, let's just talk about this. Let's pull these orders. Some of them I have already pulled. I don't know why I'm sitting side saddle here. Guy bought 2 airplane photos. They've actually been selling over the last couple weeks, more than they had over the previous several months. So it's a nice like 30 some odd dollar order. The airplane photos came with the Million Aviation postcards, and so I got them for the same price. I need sleeves. And there's that one. I don't think I got $20 for it. I think I took an offer. So the same buyer got these ones, and they're in my old inventory. So I hope I still have them. You can tell by well, at least I can tell by the blue background that they are 10, 12 to 14 years old. So yeah, they've been listed for a while. So hopefully they're in here. Okay, I got the first one. Little photo of the courthouse. And Come on. Virginia City, I think. Well, crap. I don't have that one, so I gotta find it. I had it. I just went over it. I must have glanced up. So, and let me see. Airplane card here. So how about you all? Is it just me? Everything broken? Nothing nothing seems to be good. Which kind of brings me to the thumbnail that something's got to give. And for me, what's you probably want to see something besides my little. What is this anyway? Is it a flower? I don't understand what that's supposed to mean. I don't know what that was supposed to be. Anyway, yes. Wow, right off the top. Lucky day today. Yes, so something's got to give. And for me, what I think that is right now, and this won't come as a shock to many because I've done it before, but this daily video, which I haven't done for what I've done 2 videos over the last 2 weeks, and both extremely negative. Um, so I'm pretty much going to stop doing these daily videos. Sorry, my wife was leaving for work, and we always do our family goodbye is see you, love you, bye, have a great day. And she just, I hear her coming down the steps to leave for work, and so I always pause the video so we can shout that at each other. Well, I can't remember what I was saying. So yeah, I am going to stop these videos. I've done it. Oh, I don't know. I've disappeared before. Um, and I've mentioned this many, many times that I have a really effing hate relationship with social media. I think social media is one of the worst things that was ever invented. And so, what all that means is, yeah, I'm not going to be doing these morning videos. People are going to piss me off. eBay's going to piss me off. Why protract that pissed offness? Oh, that's a good word. Pissed offness. Why should I prolong that by and amplifying it by doing these videos where I'm just bitching about stuff? I mean, really, how long can you do a daily video talking about postcards? Ugh. I mean, I already showed that one. You just can't do it. It's too much. Actually, it's not too much. There's not enough to talk about, and so maybe that's why. Uh, last one here. Maybe that's why I fill it in with the negative stuff. So, um, I'm gonna still try, and I'll talk to the members this afternoon during the members only video. Talk about it probably a little bit more. But for now, I think I just need to circle the wagons, take care of my own, and just keep on keeping on. I mentioned several eBay stores, and I'm not going to either here or on the members video. I'm not going to discuss those. That's something I'm working on. But I wanted to keep developing those, and I want to dedicate more time to those endeavors. And I don't need this distraction, getting in the way of things. Last time I gave up social media and quit YouTube, uh, I gave up all social media. I don't watch didn't watch YouTube videos. I barely watched reseller content. So that wasn't a stretch, but yeah, I give that all up. Probably won't. I'll just give up reseller content and watching that. But anyway, I don't. Yeah, members. We'll talk this afternoon. I do want to go over the what sold video, and I'll talk more then. So everybody else, I'll see you when I see you.